Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will review the POCO F8 Ultra. So on our hands here is the POCO F8 Ultra. The POCO F8 Ultra actually is probably the cheapest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 based smartphone that you can find in the market right now. So basically it has a 6.9 inch 120Hz Hyper RGB AMOLED display and a versatile 50 megapixel camera system at the back. So there are triple 50 megapixel camera. There's a main, a periscope, telephoto, and an ultra wide with OIS. This particular phone comes with a massive 6500 mAh battery with 100 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging. It comes with Android 16 with HyperOS, as we can see from here, premium IP68 water resistant, plus unique Bose tuned stereo speakers. Now let's play back an audio test clip from YouTube and see how it sounds like. The POCO F8 Ultra is based on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform, which is made by the 3nm manufacturing process. It's an octa-core CPU with 2x prime core up to 4.6 GB and 6x performance core up to 3.6 GB, and comes with Adreno GPU and Qualcomm AI engine. The POCO F8 Ultra comes with two variants, a 12GB plus 256GB or 16GB plus 512GB. It also comes with ultra-fast LPDDR5X 9600 megabits per second memory, and it runs on UFS 4.1. Now let's take a look at the Geekbench 6 CPU benchmark results. In a single core, it gets 3529, and in multi-core, it gets 10,560. The POCO F8 Ultra supports most of the 5G bands in the world. That includes the 5G SA and NSA bands. Not only that, it also supports Wi-Fi 7. What you are seeing right now is a speed test being conducted over the 5G SA network of StarHub. And we are now running the speed test, and we are seeing a downlink speed of around 1.2 gigabits per second. And an uplink speed of 73.4 megabits per second. Here are some photos that I took over the past 2 weeks using the POCO F8 Ultra. At the bottom right of the photo, you can see the zoom factor that I use and the date and time when I shot this particular photo. In this segment, I will use the POCO F8 Ultra and do a zoom test from 1 times all the way to 100 times. You can see from the bottom there is a dial which I can actually move it all the way to 100 times. The POCO F8 Ultra features a 5x telephoto camera with optical image stabilization, giving it a true optical zoom capability. On top of that, it supports up to 20 times hybrid zoom for extended reach. Now we shall see how it turns out. At 1 to 5 times, the photos look sharp, detailed, and very respectable. At 10 to 20 times hybrid zoom, it's still clear and usable. Beyond 20 times, the limitation shows. Details start to blur, they just soften as more of a novelty than a practical tool. The POCO F8 Ultra supports recording of up to 30 frames per second. The video you are seeing right now is recorded using 4K 30 frames per second. The video is sharp and clear, delivering smooth 4K footage with excellent stability and vibrant natural colors, even without the gimbal. In conclusion, POCO has officially transformed from a budget-focused brand into a serious premium contender. By launching the F8 Ultra at an ultra price of only $899, I think this is the cheapest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 smartphone you can find in the market right now. Well, not only that, it also comes with the ice-cool cooling system and WildBoost Optimisation, and also supports the F8 Ultra also can handle intense gaming without breaking a sweat. Most importantly, this particular phone supports most of the 5G SA and NSA networks in the world, and also supports Wi-Fi 7 MLO. One of the most impressive features we tested was the audio. POCO teamed up with Bose to create a 2.1 channel system featuring an independent subwoofer. The triple 50 megapixel camera system is also a massive step up for the brand. So basically that's all, and this wraps up our video review of the POCO F8 Ultra. For more details, you can visit our website at en.ocworkbench.com, and do remember to like, subscribe and share out this video to those who are interested in this phone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Wow.
Thank you.